So here, for two waves to interfere constructively, the phase difference between both of them must be either 0 degrees or integral multiples of 2 pi. So here the same thing can be stated in terms of path differences. If two waves have to interfere constructively, then the path difference between both of them must be equal to n lambda. Okay, and then when they interfere constructively, the maximum amplitude of those two waves is given by a max is equal to a1 plus a2, and if a1 is equal to a2, which again is equal to a naught, then a max becomes 2a naught. So here the question is about the maximum intensity, but in case of interference, the intensity in general is given by, as a function of phase difference, is given by I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 cos phi, where phi is the phase difference between the waves I1 and I2 with intensities I1 and I2. So here clearly, whenever the phase difference is 0, as I stated, are 2n pi, where n is the integer which takes values from 1 to infinity. So here when phi is equal to either 0 or 2n pi, we get intensity I as I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2. Okay, so this same thing can also be written as square root I1 whole square plus square root I2 whole square plus 2 root I1 into root I2. So which is nothing but square root I1 plus square root I2 whole square. So this is the maximum intensity that you can expect from the interference of two waves.